masters, spiritual teachers, saints, archangels, holy angels, and spiritual helpers for divine light, divine guidance, divine love, divine help, and divine protection with deep gratitude, respect, and love. Thank you in full faith. So be it, so be it, so be it. Gently inhale the blessings once. Hold your breath and exhale and be happy. One more time. Gently inhale the blessings. Hold your breath. Exhale and share it with your family members. Gently inhale the blessings. Hold one more time. And when you are going to exhale, share it with every person, every being on the planet Earth. And have gratitude for being here and getting this knowledge which the teacher, Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui, has given unconditionally to help humanity. With thanks and in full faith, so be it, so be it, so be it. And please open your eyes. Now, see, when you see a prayer, what happens? The Super Brain Yoga gradually awakens the latent powers within us and also involves internal alchemy. Therefore, it is definitely safer and more effective to invoke first for divine blessings before doing the Super Brain Yoga. Okay? That is why we did the prayer. The teacher says, when you are doing the Super Brain Yoga exercise, children have to face east. Where to face? They face towards the east. And older people, they face towards the north. Why? Hey, you don't know. Know what?
Magnetic power is not so.
Okay, see, when you face the east, you have the knowledge of, you have the energy of knowledge and wisdom, and that is violet light. What light it is? Violet light. And when people want to learn, if they face east, then they learn. So the knowledge and wisdom will be there more. And in case when people are old, they have already accumulated knowledge and wisdom, but the physical strength is lacking. So when they face the north, okay, they have the physical strength because the north has a red crown. Okay, the grosser energy, the energy of power, the energy of strength, different strength, okay, which the body requires. Now, this is all what has been said. North radius flame with red energy which energizes and strengthens especially the lower energy centers. Okay, for younger people it is not advisable to face north because their lower energies are already energized and they are overactivated. So if you ask your child, use that north and do, he will become more vibrant and you will not be able to control him. So this is the guideline from the teacher. Now what is this internal alchemy? To transform internally, alchemize the energies from the basic center to the sex into the higher subtle energies to be utilized by the upper centers and the brain. It is necessary when squatting down to inhale simultaneously and when standing up to exhale simultaneously. This simple process will bring the lower energies and up to the upper energies. The lower energies are transformed into the energies with much higher frequency. This pranic energy or higher frequency are utilized for energizing the brain so it can function with greater efficiency and effectivity. So what happens? This has to be done with squatting. How it has to be done? Squatting. You know what is squatting? Huh? Okay, it is Utthak Baithak. Okay, it is Utthak Baithak. So, this is how we do. You have to keep your feet at shoulder width. At shoulder width, don't keep it that way. Okay, it has to be just at shoulder width. And you will catch like that, like that. Okay, the tongue has to be connected to the palate. And after connecting the tongue to the palate, when you go down, you will inhale. What will you do? Inhale. And when you come up, you will exhale. So, see, those who are practicing yoga and all that, for them the guidelines is that by the teacher they do it 7 times. How many times? 7 times. But for small children they have to do 14 times. How many times? 14 times. For old people also, you do 14 times. Those who cannot sit down on the ground, okay, for them the teacher's recommendation is that you can do it 40 to 50 times. Okay? You have to just do it this way. Okay, don't bend. How much you can go? You just go and you make a gesture that you are squatting. This is semi-squats. Okay? So the semi-squats you do with super great yoga exercises. This is clear now?
Yes.
So you just see it and then afterwards we will do it. Can you see? Can you see when the earlobes are connected? Can you see what is happening to the energy centers? Can you see? You can't see? First, when you start, this is the energy in the front, this is the energy in the back. Okay? Now next slide. When you sit down and when you are inhaling, can you see this energy from the head region coming to the basic? Can you see that line? Meridian? See, when you were not squatting, there was no line. The connection was not deep. When you are inhaling, you are actually pumping the energy from the crown to the base. What are you doing? You are pumping the energy from the head region or the crown to the base. Okay? And when you are going up, the energy is again from the base, the energy, the upper energy, okay, it actually gets transformed or it gets mingled with the lower energy. And once again it traces its path back from where it came to the back meridian. Can you see? From the base, the energy going up to the crown. Okay, so this is what is happening. Now, when standing up, exhale simultaneously. Okay? When you stand up, you exhale. Okay, this is all what I have just now spoken. How you should face. Okay, see, this breathing instruction must be followed and must not be changed. Okay, don't do your own things. Then if you do your own things, the benefit will not be there. Okay, so repeat 8 and 9, 14 times per person. Release your fingers from your earlobes. After you finish this 14 times, release your fingers. And after that again say a short prayer of thanksgiving. Because when we start with a prayer, when we end with a prayer, we will always get the right benefit. With the gratitude attitude.
Can we have the previous slide again?
Previous slide.
Inhale and exhale through the mouth or nose?
It is through the nose only.
Nose.
Your tongue is connected to the palate, no? See, if you will inhale, exhale to the nose, mouth, then it will be, energy will not go to the lungs. See, the right pattern is nose only. Because we want the